Well, it's just past the middle of June. It's 31 degrees Celsius out here. There's not a cloud in the sky, well, other than like the little fluffy baby cloud. Anyway, it's the hottest part of the day so far, and I'm about to hop in my car, which has been sitting in the sun for about, how long has it been? 9 hours or so? And yes, I am wearing a sweater, and I'm also wearing long pants. I can't move my leg up that high. So you see that? I'm wearing socks and sandals. Yeah, get over it. I'm gonna go hop in my car. You can kind of see it right there. I'll show you what the temperature is in there. Yeah, I'm gonna see how long it lasts. First of all, do not try this at home. It's really stupid. It's hot right now, obviously. I can only imagine what it's gonna be like in the car, so I'm kind of terrified. Let's go. Seriously, do not try this at home. All right, let's get out of here. Oh, geez. All right, I'm just stalling this now. What time is it now? 2:50? Yeah, it's about 2:50. So I'm gonna hop in. Who knows? Maybe I taste good. Maybe I taste like chicken. If I get cooked in there, somebody's gonna have to eat. I can already feel the heat. It's terrible. This is so stupid. Okay. All right, here we go. Screw it. Okay. Oh, and I'm gonna close the door. Time starts in 3, 2, 1, go. It's so hot in here. Oh my gosh, okay. Wow. Oh. I am very uncomfortable right now. My face. It's got a cold shiver for some reason. I don't know how that works, but that's the last cold thing I'm gonna feel for a while. My face is like heating up like crazy. Hasn't even been a minute and I'm already going insane. All right, so yeah, let me just show you this again. That's the temperature. I haven't tampered with this in any way, in case you're wondering. I can't see whether it's... So yeah, this thing goes up to 50. It's gone past 50. It looks like it would be at around 54 or so. I don't know if this was fair because this was in the sun for like an hour or so. I'm gonna put this in the shaded area and see if the temperature is any different, but this is insane, dude. It's so hot in here. It's kind of hard to breathe, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if I should be worried. I should be worried. You know what, I'm gonna have my phone out just in case. I don't know what good that's gonna do. I haven't started, okay, no, that's a lie. I was gonna say I haven't like started busting out in a sweat yet, but that's a total lie. Oh man, I'm gonna have to laundry the crap out of these clothes. Oh man, why do I keep shivering? Or should I just put it up here like this and try to, oh, I just touched the dash. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. I'm gonna keep saying that, but it's true. I cannot tell you, oh gosh, my nose. I look like a clown. My hands have rivers, I'm not even joking. It hasn't even been 5 minutes, man. Just saw a guy, this guy just drove by with his window down. Oh. It's hard to breathe in here. Like the air is so, it just feels like there's no oxygen in here. Yeah, I'm really sorry in advance if I get really descriptive about how gross things are getting in here. My glasses will not stay on my nose. I was gonna bring water in here with me, but for one thing though, I'd kind of be cheating. And for another, it would just become really warm and I hate warm water. Oh, geez. See, the good thing is if I sweat, it's just gonna go into my shirt. Because yes, I am also wearing a shirt under this. The good thing is if I sweat, which I am right now, undoubtedly, it's just gonna go into my shirt and then it won't like seep through. Well, we'll see, but theoretically it won't go onto my seat and make it all gross. Maybe we should stop talking. Oh gosh, it's only been like 10 minutes. All right, I'm about to show you guys my arm that's been in the sun. I don't know if you guys want to see it, but if you don't want to see it, look away now. All like the lint from my sweater is getting on my arm. That's disgusting. Okay, I'm gonna leave it in the sun. Here's what it looks like. Oh, the camera's so hot. Oh gosh. Ooh, that's hot. Oh, the viewfinder's so hot. Okay. All right, so there's my arm. Oh geez. Oh my. Oh, that's disgusting. I'm sorry if you don't like that, but I already warned you. So wow, that is nasty, dude. Oh geez, moving around is just torture. Oh, my glasses are warm. I can feel them touching my cheek. I'm like really shaky for some reason. I don't know what's going on. My shirt's gonna be so disgustingly soaked. Oh, I have leftover water in here, but it's so warm. Oh, my mouth is like dying for water. Oh, but I can't. Oh, I'm getting woozy. I just looked at my legs. Let me just say I'm just not gonna show you guys that. That's just, yeah, you don't want to see that. Oh, wow. Dude, it's getting hard to breathe, man. Hope it's not getting dangerous. Oh, my skin feels like tingly now. Oh gosh, you guys, I'm getting lightheaded, man. Getting dizzy. All right, let me just show you the time here. All right, so it's 3:07. It's been about 15 minutes or so. Oh, wow. It's got a wave. Like, I gotta make it at least 30 minutes. Yo, my skin is tingling right now. It's hard to breathe. Oh, I'm getting so uncomfortable. My lower half feels really numb. I can't imagine what it's like if you live in a place like Arizona or like Mexico. Dude, my legs are actually going so tingly right now. Oh, you guys. I just realized something. The sun is hitting my hat. Oh, the pin here, I don't know if you can see the pin here, but the metal part just touched the top of my head. I'm not gonna make that mistake again. But yeah, this hat is soaking up so much heat and transferring it straight to my head. Cheeks aren't sweating yet. Maybe that's an indicator that my pores are a bit clogged and they don't open very well, and that's why I look like a 15-year-old who just drank a gallon of grease. No offense, 15-year-olds, if you drank a gallon of grease, but also, why are you drinking a gallon of grease? All right, so in the shade, the temperature is 45 degrees. And apparently it's very dry. Guys, my vision is like, it's going wild right now. I can't even describe it. If I did this on a humid day, which usually comes in like July or August for us, I'd be toast. Literally, I'd be toasted. My glasses won't stay on my face. It's getting hard to keep my eyes open. It's hard to breathe. My skin is so tingly. I know I've said that 100 times before, but it's just getting worse and worse. I don't know why I keep talking like this. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, I can't close my eyes. Oh, my legs are hard to lift. I can't help but talk like this. I can't help but talk like this. Everything's so hot. Oh, I can't laugh. I can't breathe. Oh, this is such a bad idea. Such a stupid idea. Oh, I can't breathe. I can't laugh. Can I talk normally? My entire face is twitching. I can feel it. I don't know if you can see it, but I can feel it. Oh, my eyes are hot. What do I look like right now? I got 4 more minutes. It's the hottest I've ever been, I think. Maybe, I don't know. I've been in a sauna before, but like maybe for like 5 minutes, maybe not even. Oh, you guys, all my skin feels tingly. Got about 3 minutes left. 30 seconds, guys. 30, 29, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's so nice. Yo, this shade is so nice. It feels cold. Oh, there's a breeze. All right, I'm gonna get up now. Dude, that was crazy. I can barely hold this camera up. My ears are ringing. Oh, my sleeves are so wet. I'm having trouble hearing right now. Everything sounds muffled. Sounds like somebody shoved cotton balls in my ears. Dude, my eyes are twitching. My pant legs are just absolutely soaked. Why can't I hear it? This is weird. Oh, man. I can't even think of words I can't even think of words to say right now. I feel tired. I'm gonna get back to you guys. I can't think of things to say. I'll see you in a minute. You see that? That's disgusting, yeah. All right. Oh, jeez. Yeah, I mean, it's a hot one out there, you know?